Hi, Rob Kavanaugh here with BISH'S RV in beautiful sunny Junction City, Oregon. It never rains at BISH'S. Let me show you this. This is a very nice, like new condition, 2018 Winnebago Fuse, model number 23A. It's one of these cute little motorhomes. It's got a turbo diesel motor, gets great gas mileage. Let's go have a look at the inside here. Before we do, you got a nice power awning with LED lights. Very nice. This motorhome has one slide out right here. You got a nice little love seat right here, which converts into a full-size bed. Very convenient there. You've got these two chairs here up front. They rotate. They become part of the motorhome. And as you can see, this is super clean. It's actually immaculate for a 2018. It almost looks brand new. You've got your entertainment system up here, a nice flat screen 32-inch TV. You've got some decent storage on both sides. It's immaculate. The inside is immaculate. It literally looks like new. Little galley kitchen area. You got a nice extension here. This little 23-foot Fuse, you know, you can take it anywhere. You can urban camp, so to speak. This is one of those motorhomes that does this. It's got some really nice tow capacity with the turbo diesel, about 350 pounds of torque. Plus it gets really good gas mileage. Got a nice stainless steel sink here. It's pretty deep. Nice 2-burner gas stove. Very decent storage. I really like how they have these sliders here. They click in. Nothing's going to come out. Nothing's going to fall out. So really convenient storage here. Got a nice backsplash. Lots of space here. Very deep storage there as well. And you got space down here. So nice little kitchen galley. Then you got your microwave, convection oven, so this acts as an oven as well. And then you got a really nice little Norcold refrigerator freezer combination for your cold ones. And for your ice cubes for your cold ones as well. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's better than one of those college campus refrigerators. As we move back, you get more storage here for your clothes, other items. You got a nice twin bed setup here, so this is great for couples or individuals, maybe couples with a child or two. You wouldn't want to go really beyond that, but you got a nice twin bed set up here, which also converts, as you can imagine, it converts into a probably a king-size bed when you put the platform here and the cushions. You also have a table right here, which can be set up, so this could also act as your dining area. As well as up front, there's also a table up front, which can be used as a dining area as well. And then this is kind of the bedroom area. The bathroom's back here. You also have a nice 24-inch flat screen TV, so you can lay in bed or sit in bed, watch TV, read a book, whatever you'd like to do. Have a look back here. You got a shower and a full-size bathroom. So again, this is a lightly used 2018 Winnebago Fuse 23A turbo diesel. You would not, if you come out and have a look at this and this is what you're looking for, it's again lightly used. It's in mint condition on the inside and outside. You'd get a great value on this. And these things are very hot, so come on out, have a look at this. I'm Rob Kavanaugh. Ask for me. I'd be happy to show you this. Let's take it for a test drive in sunny Junction City.